This video shows image data management. In part 1, we will learn how to tag images with keywords. Here is a folder on my computer that I use to hold my images. To have an example, I create a subfolder and name it as ASCP demo, in which I put in some images. Here are the images as shown here. Please note the name of some of these images. Now let's open our image management software tool. Here's the window of my image database created with this software tool. On the left hand, we can see the folder tree or list of folders with my images. This folder is highlighted, cervix, and these are the images contained in this folder. Let's take a brief look at one of them. We can view the images in different layout so that the keywords associated with images can be viewed as shown here. Now let's go to the new folders that I just created, ASCP demo. As soon as I click on this folder, the software will quickly and automatically generate the thumbnail for the images in this folder shown here. Meanwhile, the software tool also automatically take the file name and index them as keywords as shown here on the right hand. The name of the images can be changed one by one or in a group. To change the image name, we highlight the images and then select Auto Rename. In the pop-up window, we can type in the new image or file name and click OK. Please note each image selected earlier, their name has been changed, and meanwhile the software automatically took the new file name and put into the keywords field and use that as a keywords. The keywords for each image can be removed as shown here. New keywords can also be added to one or group of images as shown here. Type in demo and click OK. Now this word demo is added to this image. We can also add it to a group of images by highlight all the images and go to assign the keywords, and automatically you can see here the list of keywords recently used. You click demo and all these images will now have demo as their keywords in their keywords fields. With these keywords, images can be effectively retrieved in the future.